Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am with the new video of Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G Smart Clear View cover. Take a look at this. This is my new Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus Smart Clear View cover. Okay guys, I will show you how this cover helps us in using this phone. So let's open it. So first grab the cover. Okay, open the cover. We have this at the back. We already given the place where we can open this. Okay guys, so we are opening this with you, and it's very easy to open actually guys. So we have the cover in our, this is at the back. You can see what's it written here is Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus and 5G Smart Clear View cover. This is in some other languages. Easy to control with dedicated UX, protection on front and back, slim case with good grip. Okay, it is recommended to remove your device cover before using the wireless power share feature. Okay guys, for the reverse charging you can see. Okay guys, so we have the new Smart Clear View case. This is the look. You can see this is the display we have. It's very soft and comfortable to carry, I guess, because it's very lightweight. You can see at the back. It's nice, slim and smooth. It does feel like a good quality case. Okay guys, so first we have, okay, take this out. What is this? This is a small booklet just to give you a small quick guide to use this. And we have the case in our hand. You can see. Okay guys, so let's put the phone inside our new case. Okay, that's so cool and so quick. You can see it's very easy to fix. Sometimes we have the covers to fix it very hard by pushing so many times. Okay, now we have a look over here. Okay, so this is our case and phone inside. Now see what's at the top. You can see here is the mic. Here is the mic. Here we have the camera opening. On this side we have the power button and the volume buttons opening. Okay, we have the earpiece open, so we can answer the phone in the close flip. Okay, and at the bottom we have the openings for the USB port and for the speaker and the mic. So guys, what is the main and the most important feature in this? The biggest feature is the transparent window right over here. So this is a cover case, so we can close it. You can see what's happened. It shows us time, battery percentage, day and date. Okay, and my other notifications it's showing here. If we have some notifications, let me show you. Okay guys, we have on case we have the notification for our call. You can check without opening the cover. Some notifications are going on for the message. You can also see for the email. You will have many notifications here. Okay, so if we attend a call, what happens? I will show you. This is our phone, and now it's ringing. I'm showing with my landline. See what happens. This is the incoming call is coming, and you can answer the call from this, or you can reject the call by this. Okay, this is the incoming call. You can see what happens on the screen. You can see, guys, this is a very good and brilliant feature in my opinion. If we attend the call, you can answer by this clicking and listen to the call without opening the cover, putting just on your ears. Okay, so when you open the window, see what happens. It says to apply your lock screen password. Okay, let me apply this, and when you drop down the menu, you can see your congratulations on the new case. It congratulating me for the new case. Black theme for the cover and everything it shows. This is so smart. When I applied the cover, it detects that I have applied the Samsung Smart Clear View cover. It pop-ups a window for the Smart View cover themes. Okay. So, and these are the Samsung Galaxy theme for my smart cover. How it happens? This is the question which around in all of us mind. How it detects that I have applied the cover? Because we have a tiny chip inside this. Here we have a tiny chip. It detects that we have a phone in the cover now. This knows what happens. Okay, this is very smart, and you can see how easy it is to apply, and to just press this and you can see all your notifications, your times, your battery percentage, and your calls, your SMS, your emails. You can see here. So just tap a notification here. What it shows when we tap the notification here, what it shows, open cover to view notification details. See this, guys, what happens? Okay, it shows me to open the cover to see the details. See how easy it is to decline a call or accept a call. Okay, now we have a notification here for the call. How can we view this call? Just tap on this and you can see open cover to see the full details like this. Okay, now we open the cover. Let's see what happens. He asked us for I applied the pattern. It shows me the screen for my call. Okay, guys, the new notification here. As you can see, a lot of things happening on the display. It's very quick to see your notifications by just tap on this power button, and you can see the screen, what happens, the times, the date, and the battery life, and your notifications here. And you can just tap on the notification and it will show you a message to open cover to see the full details. Okay, guys, if you found my video useful, and do like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Take care, tata, bye bye. And if you are using Instagram and Facebook, you can follow me there. Link in description for the unboxing of Samsung S20 Plus 5G, and you can also watch my video on my earbuds plus. Link in description. Thank you, guys. Take care, tata, bye bye.
Never up, never down, never like a theme in a song, clever.